Sorry, y'all.
Get that on TikTok.
All right, this is a boardwalk view balcony. 10717 on Harmony of the Seas. You got to put your card here to turn on the lights. Balcony over there. Bed. Very large closet with your safe. Couple drawers. Your bathroom. Oh, and this one again has the glass shower. You got a full-length mirror. Your television. All right, let's check out this view. What kind of view we got? Let's see. Yeah, more stuff here, and I think there's probably a fridge here. Oh. Hi, guys.
Hi. Old Patrick Mahomes been getting fixed all day.
Remember, a life without adventure is a... Wait, I don't remember. Wait. A life with adventure is a life well lived. So I think that I'm gonna get sick by going in circles. I'm pretty sure I did that too fast, so let's slow it down. No, I'm done.